Hi everyone, in front of me I've got REALME 14T and let me share with you how to change the 3 buttons navigation into the gestures in this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down to find System and Update. Then let's tap on System Navigation, and of course let's pretend I've got the buttons set. So this is what you will see after entering this section. As you can see, you can reorder the back button and the recent, so you can simply customize the buttons, and here we've got some other options. So to set the gestures, you have to simply tap on this animation. Your device will ask you if you want to go through the tutorial and learn how to use them. Of course, if you want to, you can do it. However, I will explain them to you. You can hide or show the gesture guide bar, which is responsible for some gestures. Vibration on back, navigation, switch to previous apps, mismatch prevention, and gestures. Here we've got also the sensitivity for the back gesture. You can set it on lower or higher end. To be honest, I highly recommend to get back to this option after a while of using the gestures, so you will be able to figure out whether you need this sensitivity to be higher or lower. Alright, so in order to get back to the previous page, you have to swipe your finger from the side to the center, just like here you've got this arrow, and now you can release the finger, and the same situation from the left side. If you'd like to get back directly to the home page, swipe your finger from the bottom to the center of your device, and make sure that this motion is quick and short, like that. And if you want to open the recents, repeat the gesture, so from the bottom to the center, but this time hold your finger somewhere here, like that. And here we've got the recents. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.